Hi creatives, my name is Stella and I am a fashion designer in Abuja, Nigeria. Over the years, I have taught many students about fashion, basic and advanced tailoring. I also invest my time in creating DIY pieces because I enjoy it. I love making something out of nothing. So you're welcome to my official YouTube channel. On this channel, I make videos to inform, to educate and to entertain you about all things tailoring and DIY, so you can be creative in making, styling and decorating your own pieces. Expect videos on tailoring, how to make basic pieces, how to make trendy pieces, pattern making, couture making, fashion business, life of a fashion designer, DIY, and general life and tailoring hacks. Feel free to drop your comments in the comment section. I appreciate your ideas, your experiences, and your suggestions because I am learning every day. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so you get notified every Sundays and Wednesdays by 8 p.m. when I post a new video. Remember to put those creative pants on and let's get creating.